what are you doing out so early? It is so cold.
It snowed last night. The sidewalk was covered in snow. I wanted to shovel it before going to work.
But why do we have to do it?
In Alberta, homeowners or tenants have to remove snow from sidewalks 1 or 2 days after it snows. Plus, I could use the exercise.
It is going to be our first winter in Alberta. I am excited to try some winter activities.
Do you have any plans with Lily today?
I'm taking her sledding. It will be our first time in the snow, but I think she will like it.
Sounds fun. Make sure you both dress warmly. Weather changes quickly in Alberta. In the morning, it can be sunny, but it gets colder through the day.
And with the wind, it feels even colder. Don't worry, I'll check the weather before leaving home.
Okay. Time for me to go. I need to brush the snow off the car. Have fun with Lily.
In Alberta, preparing your car for winter is key to safe driving. Here are some tips to winterize your vehicle. Before driving, remove snow and ice from your vehicle. Be sure to clear off the top, windows, mirrors, lights, and license plate. Equip your vehicle with a block heater and plug in your car if outside temperatures drop below -15 degrees Celsius. This keeps your engine from freezing. Install winter tires for extra safety. Winter tires provide better grip in extreme cold temperatures. Keep an emergency kit in your car. Include items such as jumper cables, a first aid kit, a warm blanket, and a flashlight.
Hey, Lily! Look outside. It snowed last night. We can go sledding.
Really? Yay, let's go!
Let's first get you dressed.
But I'm already dressed.
Winter in Alberta is different from back home. It is warm inside but cold outside. So we need to wear layers. I put some clothes out for you this morning. A long shirt underneath, a sweater on top, and your winter jacket. And don't forget your scarf, gloves, and toque, so your fingers and ears don't freeze.
Could I wear my boots and snow pants too, please, miss, please?
Of course, sweetie. You need those to play in the snow. So let's first get you dressed.
When going outdoors during winter, pay careful attention to ice and snow in your surroundings. Here are some tips to get to your destination safely. After a snowfall, give yourself extra time to reach your destination. Before leaving home, check your route online. Buses and trains may be delayed due to weather conditions. Walk slower and be aware of black ice on sidewalks and roads. Cars may have trouble stopping for you when roads are slippery. In cold temperatures, avoid staying outside for long periods of time to prevent frostbite or hypothermia. Being prepared for winter in Alberta ensures a safe season for all.